Are you new to Shopify and confused by the dashboard? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how the Shopify dashboard works and how you can manage your entire online store from one place. The Shopify dashboard is the main control panel of your online store. From here, you can track sales, manage products, fulfill orders, and monitor your business performance in real time. When you log in, the first page you see is the home section. It shows important information like today's sales, store activity, and helpful tips from Shopify to grow your business. The order section is where you manage all customer purchases. You can view order details, confirm payments, print shipping labels, and track deliveries. Always check orders daily to ensure fast delivery. In the product section, you add and manage items you want to sell. You can upload product images, write descriptions, set prices, and control inventory. The Customers tab helps you manage buyer information. You can see who purchased your products and build long-term relationships with loyal customers. The Analytics section shows detailed reports about your store performance. You can track revenue, visitor traffic, and best-selling products. In Settings, you configure payment methods, shipping rates, taxes, and store details. This is where you set up everything needed to run your online business smoothly. Now you understand the Shopify dashboard and how it helps you manage your online store efficiently. If you want more tutorials about e-commerce and online business, subscribe to the channel and start building your successful online store today.